front of me is Honor 400 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate keyboard Clipboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and click on this icon at the top left corner. Then click on Clipboard, and to make it more accessible, use this switcher next to Show the Clipboard on your toolbar. Then when I go back, as you can see now, I can tap on my clipboard over here. If you wish to add a new clip over here, tap Add a new clip, type in whatever you want to, and hit save. Now to paste it, click on it. To pin it or unpin it, use this pin icon. If it's white, it's unpinned. And to get rid of it, click on this pin. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also use Clipboard by copying any text and pasting it right away by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To use it after an hour, you need to pin it. To go back to standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!